In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton Mail to create YouTube channel. We're going to set up a dedicated Proton Mail address you can use for your YouTube brand. This keeps your creator life separate, helps with verification emails, and looks professional when you contact partners or viewers. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top of the page for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open the quick settings panel. From there, choose All Settings. This takes you into the full settings area where you can manage identities, inbox behavior, and more. On the left-hand side, find the section called Identity and Addresses. This is where Proton Mail lets you manage the email identities tied to your account. Click it to open the page, then select Add Proton Address. This creates a new email address under your account without needing a separate login, which is perfect for organizing your YouTube communications. When prompted, enter the address you want to use. Aim for something that matches your channel name, is easy to spell, and looks clean on a business card. Keep it short, avoid special characters, and if the exact name is taken, consider simple variations that still feel on brand. Next, fill in the display name. This is the name people see in their inbox when you email them. Use your channel or brand name here so your communications look polished and consistent everywhere. When you're happy with your choices, click Save Address. Proton Mail will add the new identity to your account. You can select it when composing new messages, and you can make it your default later if you prefer all outgoing mail to use your channel identity. That's it. You now have a clean, dedicated Proton Mail address ready for creating your YouTube channel and handling all related email. Keep your login details secure, and you're set for a professional start.